Welcome to Financial Investing Radio, where you'll learn the secrets for consistent, high-probability returns in the financial markets for additional income to change your life. Grant creates consistent, high-probability trading systems for the financial markets and has applied them over the past 5 years. He's only recently started sharing these tried and true market secrets. As a gift to listeners, Grant is offering his high-probability indicators for free. Go to financialinvestingradio.com and download yours today. Now, here's your host and trading veteran, Grant Larson.
Hi everybody, this is Grant. Hey, it's good to be podcasting again. I've been away for a little bit. I spent some time up at a scout camp, and so that took me out of connection with all things internet, and as well as I've been on some other camping trips and experiences with my kids. So been busy on good things, but I've continued to trade. Now I wanted to just share something here with you. I'm still sort of recovering from blisters on the feet, other things like that, which is awesome. I love being outdoors and love being in the country. So hey, so today is actually FOMC day. So what is it? It's June 14th, 2017. And typically on this kind of day in the morning, what you'll do is you'll trade, the reversion to mean kind of trade, which is awesome. That's the right thing to do up until the announcement. But what I really wanted to talk about, though, was something that happened on Monday this week. So if you go back into your charts and you look at stuff, what you'll see is that when the market opened on Monday, what is that? Probably the 12th, I guess. Then it took a really big push up. So just right out of the gates, just a quick push up, and then drop down very quickly. So in my trading over the years, so I've been using something that's called the market engine and the market effectiveness chart. And the way that works is it allows you to see how hard the market engine is working to move price and whether or not it's being effective at that. And in the course of doing that, Monday morning was a classic example of this, where it pushed up and then price dropped very fast at the open for the first half hour. But there's a key thing to note, and that is this effectiveness chart. What it does is it accumulates all of the internals of the market engine and says, here's the one view of how effective the market is. Are things going up? Are they going down? Well, this is where the disconnect occurred. So I call this the Monday morning engine kick, right? It's where the engine's pushing up, but it turns out price just drops like a rock, and the two become disconnected. And what happens is the effectiveness chart wins, right? So ultimately, price recovers and says, I'm going to actually recover and come back in line with the way the actual market engine is working. And you can see that there's a gear shift. Anyway, I've started doing some webinars on this, so that's the other thing that I've sort of been off doing, in addition to hiking and doing campouts with the family. And got a drone. That's been fun. It's a small one, nothing fancy, just something we're playing with the kids. Got a little video on it. We're practicing flying it. No big disasters yet. Anyway, so we've been doing some things like that. But the key thing I wanted to point out is that I've started doing some webinars. If you go to my other site, it's financialinvestingsecrets.com. There's some information there on when I do the webinars. Okay, and I talk more about using the market engine and being apprised of the disconnect that's going on there. So let's see. Yeah, so I wanted to talk about the Monday morning engine, kickoff there, right? There's total separation. So if you go back and you look at Monday morning on June 12th, you'll see price went up on the E-minis and then dropped crazy like. But then it rebounded and recovered. What I wanted to also just point out is that in addition to using this on futures, stock market certainly has a market engine. So these same techniques apply there as well. So that's it's extremely valuable to be able to use that in both environments. So whether or not you're doing something, in terms of trading during the day, or in terms of trading, more position-like, then by all means, that is the right thing to use. Using the market engine with the market effectiveness chart. All right, so it's been a great time over the last little bit with my family, doing some things. It's summertime, and so I love that and the opportunity to spend time with them. So I hope things are going well for each of you. Thanks for listening. And again, come join me on financialinvestingsecrets.com as well. And I will be talking with you soon. Take care. Bye.
Thank you for joining Grant on Financial Investing Radio. Remember to subscribe and leave feedback. Don't forget to download your free high probability indicators before your next trade. Visit financialinvestingradio.com now.